about the rock cycle. First of all, we should know what are rocks. Rocks are the naturally occurring solid substances present on the earth. Now, we will learn the step-by-step process of how these rocks change from one to another. First is the magma. Magma is pushed up towards the earth's surface and then it rises slowly, it cools down and hardens to form a rock. That type of rock is known as igneous rock. There are two kinds of igneous rock depending on where magma cools down to form a rock. One is the intrusive igneous rock and second is the extrusive igneous rock. Intrusive igneous rocks are formed inside the earth's surface and extrusive igneous rocks are formed outside the earth's surface. Then when these igneous rocks are formed, due to the weathering and erosion, sediments form. These rocks in summers they expand and these winters they contract. Due to these expansion and contraction, there forms cracks in these rocks. Then some of the tiny fragments are carried by the water and blown by the wind into the rivers. In the rivers, they settle at the bottom. They form many layers. Over the time, the bottom layer forms another rock which is known as the sedimentary rock. Then, what will happen if we will put these sedimentary rocks into the higher pressure and the heat? They will not melt. They will form another rock, namely metamorphic rock. These metamorphic rocks are formed from pre-existing rocks. These metamorphic rocks, then when these are kept in the higher pressure and heat, they form the magma. This is the continuous process. Then these magma changes into igneous rocks, then into sediments, into sedimentary